As you can see, I have nowhere to hang my towels, so I got these metal towel hooks right here. They are sticky and they are also going to suction cup to my glass. So I'm going to take both of these plastic nits off, throw those aside. I'm going to put one right here, and then I'm going to twist this. As you can see, it's not coming off. So let me show you one more time. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put one right below it, right there, twist it, not coming off, and I have a towel right here. I'm pulling, it's not coming off. I'm pulling and it's not coming off. I love these so much because not only can I just hang my towel right here now, I don't have to walk across my entire bathroom to get a towel when I'm ready to get out of the shower. If you're tired of having to walk across your bathroom to get your bathroom towels, then this definitely is a game changer. Super easy to install. Literally just stick it to your glass. This can stick on tile too. I chose glass, but you can choose whatever. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.